In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add echo effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to give your audio more space, atmosphere, or a repeating sound that trails behind the original voice or music, adding an echo effect is a simple way to do it. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this process is very quick and beginner-friendly once you know where to look. Start by opening your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you can see the timeline with your audio clip already placed where you want it. This is important because the echo effect needs to be applied directly to the clip you want to change. If your clip is part of a larger edit, it can help to zoom in a little so you can clearly identify the exact audio section you're working with. Next, go to the Effects section and click it to open the Effects tab. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a wide range of tools and enhancements that you can apply to both video and audio. Once the panel is open, you'll be able to search through the available effects instead of scrolling through everything manually, which makes the process much faster. From there, use the search bar and type in echo. As soon as you do that, the echo effect should appear in the results. This is the effect you'll use to create that repeated sound pattern on your audio clip. Depending on your version of DaVinci Resolve and your workspace layout, the panel may look slightly different, but the search process is the same. Now simply click and drag the echo effect onto the audio clip in your timeline. Drop it directly onto the clip you want to affect. Once you do that, the effect is applied and that's it. Your clip now has an echo effect added to it. After applying it, it's always a good idea to play back the audio and listen carefully. Echo can add a lot of character, but if the original sound is already busy, even a simple effect can feel strong. So previewing the result helps you decide whether it fits the style of your project. That's all you need to do to add echo effects in DaVinci Resolve. It's a fast technique, but it can make a big difference in how your audio feels, whether you're editing dialogue, sound effects, or music. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.